Overtake. Faster cars overtake us on the motorway. I am overtaking a slow lorry right now. Our sales have overtaken the competition this year. Electric cars have been overtaking petrol ones steadily. I overtook 2 cyclists on the hill. I was overtaking a bus when the light changed. She had overtaken me before the final lap. Online shops had been overtaking the high street for years. I will overtake the leader on the last bend. I will be overtaking slower traffic all the way there. By 2030, solar power will have overtaken coal. By June, our team will have been overtaking rivals for a year.